Composition to me means really carefully considering the elements that I put into my work, how they're arranged, and that allows me to tell a story that the viewer can understand. My name is Danielle Donaldson, and I am a watercolorist and an illustrator. I like working with composition, especially in series work, and when you come up with a really good composition, you can use it over and over again in a million different ways, and each piece still tells a different story. Something like that.
Okay.
I try to help my students understand the power that they have as an artist to choose the focal point of their art and make it shine in their work. I think this video is helpful to people who know that they want to strengthen their art, and it also allows them to understand composition in a much simpler way. What I think I've allowed the students to do is to decide on good composition early so they can let their imagination kind of run wild and enjoy the process